guys, maglakad na naman kami. Punta kami ng kontinente. Merong kontinente malapit dito. Yes. I-check namin na kung maayos pa yung tabs sa baby ko. Wala kasaming resibo at saka yung box na din niya dinala nung nasa kami sa Lisbon. So, try namin. Gusto niya pumili ng bago. Pero sabi ko pa, ayos muna natin yun. Kasi bago pa siya. Wala pa yung 1 month na hindi gumana. Siya, nag-black screen. Tapos hindi na siya hindi masyadong malamig. Hi!
Say hello.
Hi!
Hello.
Usually mga 30 minutes yung namin, lakad papunta dun sa So, yeah.
5 euro.
What's that? Barber? Oh, how about that? Did you ask how much? Yours? Okay. Yeah. So, they want to get haircut yung asawa ko. Ayan, iwan ko kung mga ilang oras yung asawa ko doon or minutes sa haircut. So, pinakain ko muna si Carla. Dumating na siya. At ito yung new look niya, new haircut. So, say, sleepy. So, because this time, nap time. Oh, I remember we passed here. From there and here. Meron din ito sa malapit lang sa saan kami nagstay. Kaso lang, mas konti lang yung collection nila. Dito, marami. Yan, nakarating na tayo. Mapalitan yung namin. Yung groceries sa so, meron coffee. I'll check stickers here for my baby. So, dito. Hindi dito yung nabili namin yung iPad ng baby ko, pero check namin kung pwede siya maayos or mapalitan. Dito na yung mga fridge, washing machine, mga TV. iPad. Ayun. So, bibili siya ng transparent cover para sa bago kong phone. Tsaka headset niya, Apple, and adapter.
Not sure.
Cover is quite expensive. It's 29. I'm looking for tripod, octopus tripod, but they don't have. So, hindi namin maayos yung tab ng baby ko kasi hindi namin nawala yung resibo. Yung box niya iniwan namin doon sa Lisbon. So yung isa maganda naman din. So ito makita mo yung natin yung phone cover. Maganda din naman to siya. Oh, is it wireless?
No.
It's fine.
Today we spend a lot.
How much total?
Hmm?
How much the total?
Total 50.
50?
Don't throw in the
Yes.
pockets.
Start from now, if we buy something, we have to keep it.
It is no problem, but
The box?
no.
It's good for Bangla bone,
You also have this
liver,
the leg part. This is the
breast part.
yeah.
So, mamili siya ng isda. So, naghanap din ako ng sea fish dito. Collection seeds. Pickles. Broccoli.
I don't know. Probably it looks like some sort. Yeah, broccoli. Yeah, they probably.
Different shades. Broccoli.
Okay, salad.
Yeah, salad. No, spinach. Pushak is kind of spinach but different type. Ang daming So meron one bag here. So ito yung mga meat.
925. 925.
Yeah, but I can wait. Mamayang gabi mag-shawarma kami. Kunti lang yung list ko sinend sa kanila. Ang dami naming binili. Ayan, meron ko dito.
Chicken. Pastel again? No, this is pastel. I don't know.
I had it last time.
I don't know. First job? In Canada?
I can hold it like
Oh, that's why. Oh, no, 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 no. Really? Ah, okay. So, pinagyabang niya na.
Yours?
Yeah.
You and
Carnel.
Carnel. Me.
Coffee.
This is
Nag-coffee na
Americano.
Americano.
Yung baby ko.
Hi, Dabi. Ayan siya. Nag-ano kami ng Bolt, nag-book. Bolt like at Grab. What number? It's a red car. It's a nice car. We're home. So, ayan. Go! We go, we go!